Hey, listen carefully. I was very bad at English. Yes, very bad. But now I speak better. Want to know how? Stay with me. I remember my first day. I felt very nervous. My hands were shaking. I tried to speak, but no words came. My mind went blank. People looked at me. I felt so embarrassed. That night, I made a decision. I must improve fast. No more excuses. Step 1. Start small. I started very small. Very, very small. I learned simple words like eat, go, sleep, every single day. I spoke to myself. Yes, to myself. I eat rice. I go school. Wrong, but okay. Mistakes helped me learn. Step 2. Listen more. I listened every day, morning and night. Short videos helped me. Simple conversations, too. I listened slowly, again and again, again. Sometimes I repeated, like a child learning. Step 3. Speak daily. I spoke every day, no matter what. I spoke in my room. I spoke in bathroom. I described everything. This is my phone. This is my bed. Simple, but powerful. Step 4. Learn phrases. I stopped memorizing words. I learned phrases instead. How are you? I'm doing great. This helped me speak faster. Step 5. Enjoy the process. I made learning fun. Very fun. I watched funny videos. I copied their voices. Yes, like acting. Sometimes I failed. Many times, actually. But I kept going. The result. After some weeks, something changed. I spoke more easily. I felt more confident. People understood me. I was not perfect, but I improved fast. You can do this too. Yes, you can. Start small. Stay consistent. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are your teacher. Just keep going. Did you enjoy this? Follow for more lessons. Practice with me daily. Comment. I can improve. Say it right now. See you next video.